In order to make sure our iPads have the latest features, security measures, and are able to work at their optimal level, it's important that we know how to update them. First, go to the Settings app. On the left-hand side, click the General tab. More specific options will appear on the right side of the screen. Click Software Update. If there are any updates available, it should appear on the screen. You may have to download the update before you install it. In that case, follow the directions the iPad gives. Otherwise, Install Now should pop up. Click on it and the update process should begin. You may need your battery to be above 50% or plugged into a charger while the update is happening. It may take a while. And if your iPad is fully up to date, a message will appear saying that your iPad is up to date instead. Now you know how to update your iPad.